Do you want to reduce belly fat fast at home and want to improve your core muscles? If yes, then this video is for you. Let's stay with us till the end. Today we are going to show you the best yoga asanas that can help you to reduce your belly fat at home, and the best one will be at the end of the video. Yoga is a great way to not only reduce belly fat but also improve overall health and well-being. In this video, we will be discussing the different types of yoga that are effective in reducing belly fat and the process of incorporating yoga into your daily routine. But before that, please like this video and subscribe this channel and watch the video till the end. The first one is Bhujanga Asana, also known as Cobra Pose, is a yoga asana that strengthens the muscles in the back, shoulders, and core. It is performed by lying on the stomach with the hands placed beside the shoulders, then lifting the upper body and head while keeping the elbows close to the body. This pose also helps to improve posture, increase flexibility in the spine, and open the chest. It is typically held for about 15 to 30 seconds and is often included in sequences for building core strength and flexibility. Next is Kumbhakasana, also known as plank pose, is a yoga pose that strengthens the core and upper body. It is performed by starting in a plank position, with the hands and toes on the ground and the body in a straight line. The gaze should be forward and the breath should be steady and controlled. The pose can be held for several breaths before returning to a resting position. It is often used as a foundation for other yoga poses, such as Chaturanga Dandasana and Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. It helps to improve balance, focus, and stability. Next is Nalka Asana, also known as the boat pose, is a yoga posture that strengthens the core and improves balance and helps to reduce the belly fat. It is performed by sitting on the mat with the knees bent and feet flat on the floor. The hands are then placed behind the knees and the back is lifted off the floor, as the legs are straightened to form a V shape with the body. The gaze is focused forward and the abdominal muscles are engaged to maintain balance. This pose can also help to improve digestion and stimulate the thyroid gland. Next is Dhanura Asana, also known as the bow pose, is a yoga pose that strengthens and stretches the back muscles while also toning the abdominal muscles and reduce the belly fat. It is a back bend that resembles the shape of a bow and is performed by lying on the stomach and holding onto the ankles while lifting the chest and legs off the ground. This pose improves flexibility and balance and can also help with digestion and breathing. It is important to practice this pose with proper alignment and to avoid overextending the back to prevent injury. Next, Ustra Asana, also known as camel pose, is a yoga asana that stretches the front of the body, including the chest, throat, and hips. It is a deep back bend that requires flexibility in the spine and shoulders. The pose is named after the Sanskrit word ustra, which means camel, as the posture resembles a camel's hump. It is believed to improve posture, increase flexibility, and strengthen the back muscles. It should be practiced with caution for people with back or neck injuries, and beginners should start with a modified version. In conclusion, Yoga is a great way to reduce belly fat and improve overall health and well-being. There are several types of yoga that are effective in reducing belly fat, such as Hatha, Ashtanga and Power Yoga. The process of incorporating yoga into your daily routine is simple. Start by setting aside a few minutes each day to practice yoga and work your way up to more advanced postures as you become more comfortable with the practice. That's it for today. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like the video and do subscribe to stay up to date with all of our future contents. Namaste.